Hello, Jason here. Now, week after week, many worried septic tank owners ring me asking me if their septic tank is now illegal since the government changed all the rules and regulations on the 1st of January 2020. And I want to give you the same advice that I give to them, and that is don't replace your septic tank. Now, whether your septic tank is 10 years old, 20 years old, 50 years old, or 100 years old, no matter what you've heard on the radio, what you've read in the newspaper or on the internet, don't replace your septic tank. There's no need to. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can make your septic tank legal in just 1 hour. But first, let me quickly explain what's changed. If you're a septic tank owner, why should you be worried? Why are many septic tank owners worried? Why are they ringing up concerned as to whether their septic tank is legal or illegal? Well, it's simply because of this. All septic tanks must now have something called an EN 12566-3 certification. Basically, due to the Septic Tank Pollution Act, any septic tank that was installed prior to 2015 that doesn't have this certification is now illegal, whether it discharges into the soil or a ditch, a watercourse, whatever. It doesn't matter. Basically, the government has said if any septic tank in the UK hasn't got this certification, whether it's 50 years old, 10 years old, or 100 years old, is now illegal. So that's the law as it stands. So if that's the case, what are your options? Now, a popular route that many septic tank owners go down is option 1, and that is that they replace their old septic tank with a new one. And typically they get 2 or 3 septic tank installation firms in to give them a quote, and typically this will cost you anywhere from £8,000 to £10,000. And what they'll do is they'll decommission your old septic tank and soak away, take it out and put a new one in. Or they'll relocate it somewhere else in your garden if you've got room, or if you're on a shared septic tank system, they'll dig up the neighbour's garden and put a new system in there, etc. So that's option 1. Now, many septic tank installation firms will say, well, hold on, it's not legal for you to put another septic tank and soak away in. And they'll insist that you go down the route of option 2. And that is to replace your old septic tank with a new domestic treatment plant, like one of these biodigesters. Now that will cost you anywhere from £10,000 to £15,000. And again, they'll take out your old septic tank and soak away and replace it with one of these electrical systems. Now the thing about option 1 and option 2, if you're a septic tank owner and you're selling your house, these are the only 2 options up to now people have had to make their septic tank legal. Well, I want to show you option 3, which is an option that unfortunately many companies don't suggest to people because it's a lot cheaper than option 1 and option 2. So how can you make your septic tank legal in just 1 hour and save thousands of pounds? Well, have a look at this. The good news is that there's a really simple and easy way to make your old septic tank legal without having to spend thousands of pounds in replacement costs. All you need is the amazing Ecosystem septic tank converter. The Ecosystem is a small black box that's powered by nature, not electricity, and will turn your old septic tank into a fully legal, government-approved system. So, how does the Ecosystem septic tank converter work? Well, the Ecosystem is 100% organic. Inside, organic bacteria and enzymes break the sewage waste down like a compost heap into safe, clean mineral water. So, how do you install the Ecosystem? Well, the Ecosystem works with all septic tanks and is very easy to install. Just dig a small hole and connect the Ecosystem to your old septic tank. Job done. It really is that easy. So, how much does the amazing Ecosystem septic tank converter cost? Well, it's £12,000 cheaper than having to replace your old septic tank. And for a limited time, you can now get the amazing Ecosystem septic tank converter for only $3,999. But you know what? I want to make this offer even better for you. For the next few days, you can now save an extra £1,000 off the normal price, which means the amazing ecosystem septic tank converter is now only £2,999. That's £1,000 off the normal price, which means you can now make your old septic tank legal for even less. But just a word of warning, I only have a handful of units left at this price, so once the stock's gone, and it's going fast, this offer will end. So, if you want to make your old septic tank legal and compliant without having to spend £10,000 or £15,000 or more in replacement costs, and you'd like to make your septic tank smell-free, pollution-free and safe for your family and the environment, then get your amazing ecosystem septic tank converter today. For more information, just click the link below this video, or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.